Do, what a mess I'm making. Hey, hello everybody, welcome back. Hands on with BLG. I'm BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Today we're going to try something I've never tried before. We're trying to make homemade chocolate pudding. Made some vanilla ice cream this morning. I got exactly 1 cup of heavy cream. Thought I don't know what to do with it. I do now. We're going to try to make chocolate pudding, folks. Let's get to it. See what happens. Right here on these bowls, this says sift 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's this stuff. We'll get 6 tablespoons. Okay. 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Done. Making a mess. Put this back. Right up in there. And we got 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch we got right here. 1, 2, which I'm assuming the cornstarch here is going to be our thickening agent. Okay. Do that. Boink. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. La. Connecting the dots here. Sweat my ass off. It is a humid son of a bitch today. Oh yeah. It's supposed to thunderstorm and possible rain. We'll sift this together here while we're speaking here. But yeah, it's supposed to rain and thunderstorm today. So far it's just really hot and sticky and muggy. Really muggy. You always get these little bumps in here that don't want to go through. Just rub them in like that. Rub them through there, BLG. That's good. What do we do now? Sift it together. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. That's right, y'all. To here, it says. The best I can tell. I don't know. I wrote this down about a year ago. So I don't know. Never really paid much attention to it. Never tried it. Stir. And it should become a heavy cream. Stir well. Paste-like consistency. So we'll get a spoon and I will stir. And we'll see what we come up with. Paste-like consistency? I don't know. Sure is messy. I'll tell you that much. You know the old saying, cocoa powder does not like to get wet. Oh God, shut up phone, I'm fucking busy over here. Trying to mix this stuff together. It's mixing. Here we go, so you can see. Pasty-like substance. Good. Work out some of the lumps. Bumps, and bruises. Pasty consistency. You can see right there. Alright. Stir in 2 egg yolks. Just happen to have 2 egg yolks right chopped. Boink. In the sink with you. Stir in 2 egg yolks. Got you, Chief. Roger that. This is also going to be a setting agent, I would assume. And yes, I do assume, folks. I don't mind being an ass. Now, there we go. That looks pretty good to me. Now what do we do? 2 cups of whole milk into a pan. We're moving to the stove. Oh boy, your favorite place. We're moving over here, baby. Into a pan, right, y'all? 2 cups of whole milk. I gotta get that out. I got you. That's a half. There's 1. Here comes another one. This will be 2 cups. Cha. Bam. 2 cups of whole milk, baby. Half a cup of sugar I just happen to have right, y'all. Woof. Medium heat. That's going to be Actually, I want the bigger burner for that. And we'll go up to 5, medium heat. Makes sense, right? Just like that, okay? Then it says to stir until, what do we got? Stir until the sugar dissolves. Okay, medium heat. Gonna stir until the sugar dissolves. Okay? Kind of like making a pie. Again, a lemon pie or a coconut cream pie. I'm guessing it's going to make like a custard kind of deal. Okay, so we've got this, just where the sugar's dissolved, it's warm. Now it says to, God. And we're going to come up here this way. We got our custard stuff here, our cocoa. We're going to put half of this in here. And we're supposed to keep stirring with a whisk. I don't know how we're going to stir with a whisk, but we're doing the best we can. That's about half, okay? We're going to stir it. Now I can do the whisk, okay? In you go, give me the whisk. I'm going to stir this up. This is, oh God, it gets everywhere. I'm a mess today, man. I'm flustered because it's hot. I'm cooking. BLG the fat man's cooking. Whisk. Whisk it all in here. Okay. Then we go back into here to our mixture. That's why I had this little spatula. I'm going to pour this, scoop out what I can here, little bits. God damn, it's again all over the stove. There we go. All right, you go away. You stay here. Clean up this mess again. Okay, and then it says we whisk it some more. Oh, we put, what did it say to put in here? Where am I? This is a whisk. Blah, blah, blah. Turn on and keep whisking. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. About that much. Okay, and we whisk continuously. And this will come up to a boil apparently. Okay. I can whisk good in here. So I'm going to continue whisking. Please don't fall in. Please don't fall in. I'm just checking here. Medium high. Okay, turn the heat up, it says. We can do that. We'll go to 8, which is my boil temperature, and I'm going to keep, stay. I'm going to keep whisking until this comes to a boil. Okay, so I'm going to keep whisking until this comes to a boil. Let me get this out of the damn way. I got stuff everywhere. So I'll see you when this comes up to a good boil. Be right back.
You can still see.
Alright, as you can see, we're up to a boil. Now it says kick the heat back down to medium. I'm going to go to 3 or 4, medium low. And I'm going to keep whisking for a few minutes, it says. Just keep whisking for a little bit. Okay. A little bit lower heat. Whisking around. You notice all the foam pretty much has gone off of the top and it's all stirred in, kind of like making a jam. That's pretty cool. Stir it around for just a little bit more like this. Make sure it's all in here good like this here. Now I'm going to move you back here and we'll do something really cool. Now for something you really like. That was Rocky, by the way, the flying squirrel. Alright, there we go. Now, you get an 8x8 baking dish, whatever size you got. I got an 8x8, and in it goes. Into the baking dish, like so. Alright, now this is going to sit here and cool off until it's cool enough to set in the fridge. Shut off the stove. We don't need that. I'm going to let this here sit until it cools off in the fridge. I'll see you. I'm going to let this cool down, like I said, till it's cool enough. I'll put it in the fridge. One small step I forgot. You're supposed to cover it with saran wrap stuff, cling wrap. Cover it so it don't get a skin. Then your fridge. Alrighty, folks. It has been 1 hour, a little over an hour. I'm going to try out some of this chocolate pudding. Homemade chocolate pudding. Look at that. Stir in that skin, a little bit of skin. Look at there. Chocolate pudding. See if it's any good. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. BLG eating chocolate and pudding. I'd say that works very well. So, yeah. If you want to make chocolate pudding nice and easy like, that works. It's still just a touch warm, but it's going to go back in the fridge and set. And it's going to be really good. Probably for dessert tomorrow. Yeah. So anyways, oh, Dingo's looking at me all sad because he can't have any chocolate. I'm sorry, buddy. I'll give you a piece of chicken. Not a whole piece, but a bite. Okay? So anyways, hope you like this episode. Just something fun to do today while I was farting around tearing this kitchen apart. Cleaning and cooking and cleaning up the mess and cooking some more. Cleaning up that mess and cooking some more. Cleaning up that mess. Oh, it was fun. So, anyways, thanks for sticking around. Thank you, new subscribers. And, Dingo's still looking at me. We'll catch you in the next episode. 4 Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Till the next time, folks, you know what to do.
Peace out, people. Just calm down and peace out. Arf, 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 arf.
Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.